If you've been looking into Fedora, you've probably seen Workstation and Silverblue, and at first they look almost the same, but they're built very differently. Fedora Workstation is the standard version most people install. It works like a normal Linux desktop where you can install apps, change system files, and customize things freely. In real workflows, developers and everyday users use it for coding, browsing, editing, and general work. It's completely free with no paid version, so you can start using it immediately. You can also start earning from it right away if you're doing development, freelancing, or tech work, but it does have a downside. Because everything is flexible, it's easier to break your system over time if you install the wrong packages or make risky changes. Fedora Silverblue looks similar on the surface, but it works in a more controlled way. It uses an immutable system, which means the core system doesn't change while you're using it. Apps are installed using Flatpak or containers instead of modifying the system directly. It's also completely free, just like Workstation. In real workflows, it's great for developers who want a stable environment or people who don't want their system breaking after updates. You can still work, code, and earn money the same way as Workstation, but I found some downside. It's more restrictive, so installing certain tools or customizing your setup can feel harder, especially if you're new. So in practice, Fedora Workstation is better if you want full control and flexibility. Fedora Silverblue is better if you want stability and a system that protects itself from breaking. They do compete directly, but here's the real difference. Workstation gives you freedom to change everything, while Silverblue gives you a safer, more stable system with less risk. So, if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple comparisons like this, and let me know which one you would choose.